Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Simple for budgeting health expenses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using Simple for budgeting health expenses, first, download the Simple app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your email address and password. After creating your account, log into the app. Next, navigate to the Budgeting tab located on the main dashboard. In the Budgeting section, select the option to create a new budget. Label this budget as Health Expenses for easy identification. Now, input the total amount you plan to allocate for health expenses each month. Break down this budget by adding specific categories, such as medical bills, prescriptions, and wellness activities. For each category, assign a specific dollar amount based on your average monthly spending. To track your expenses easily, link your health-related accounts, such as insurance or health savings accounts. Move to the Transactions section to manually input any health expenses as they occur. When adding a transaction, categorize it accordingly to keep your budget organized. Review your total expenditures weekly to ensure you stay within your budget. Use the Analytics feature to assess your spending patterns and adjust future budgets if necessary. Make it a habit to check the app regularly to manage your health expenses effectively. As you grow more comfortable, consider setting financial goals related to your health spending. With consistent use, Simple will help you maintain control over your health expenses and support your overall financial wellness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.